Welcome home to 1894 North Cool Creek Avenue. This beautiful home has been meticulously maintained. In the heart of Meridian, it's close to everything. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, boasting over 2,000 square feet, has room for everyone. With 2 living rooms, a beautiful backyard, new storage shed, and RV parking for all your toys. In addition to all this space, it has a new 50-year roof replaced in 2017, new water heater, water softener, and water filtration system. It also has a new dishwasher, water backflow system, LED lighting, and outdoor sensory lights. This home is ready for its next occupants. To schedule a viewing, call Casey Cafferty at 208-789-3802.